If you are a busy mom, you're probably wondering how to do everyday quick makeup under 10 minutes. Hi, my name is Katrina and I'm the host of Pinoy Reel. Today's video is a little different from the usual because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do an everyday and quick makeup under 10 minutes. I made this video especially for all busy moms and productive ladies out there. If you are struggling to put on your makeup under time pressure, keep on watching this video. So before I was not a mom yet, I could easily spend 40 minutes just doing my makeup alone. But once I got my first child, things just changed suddenly. Not only do I have to do my makeup really quickly and beautifully, but I also have to help my son and husband on what they have to wear, particularly when you have to go out with your family. Now, personal grooming is a very essential part of personal improvement. And let me tell you why. Improving one's outer and inner self actually brings about many positive changes in life. It enhances your personality, so you become more confident and comfortable, and you see things more positively, which in turn help you achieve your goals. So let's begin. This is not going to be the most perfect day makeup as we don't have so much time for that. However, I can guarantee you that this makeup is going to be a decent and something that you will be proud of yourself once you step out of your house. So first, I'm going to start off by prepping my skin really quickly. So as you can see, I have so many imperfections in my skin. But that's okay since I'm going to cover them anyway with makeup. To prep your face, make sure that you wash it clean with your favorite facial cleanser. Then pat it dry with a clean towel before applying any products. Next, apply a pea-sized amount of moisturizer on your face. There are different kinds of moisturizers. There are face mist, serums, lotions, creams, and oils. For me, I love to use Artistry Youth Extend Serum Concentrate. Now that your skin is well moisturized, apply a small amount of primer to make your makeup, especially your foundation, last longer. Start applying the primer in the center of your face, then slowly work it out towards your cheeks, forehead, and chin. Let's move on to foundation. When it comes to foundation, it is important to choose the right shade for your skin. Applying the foundation can be done using your fingertips, sponges, or brushes. If you prefer a light coverage, then you can use your fingertips. Just make sure they are clean. But if you want a full coverage, use an applicator brush or a beauty blender. Start from the center of your face and blend the liquid foundation outwards. The next one is concealer. Concealers are used to cover dark spots, pimples, and other facial blemishes. Now this product is optional for this particular makeup. Now that you have your foundation well blended, it's time to set the foundation with a powder. Using a large fluffy powder brush, begin by dusting a light coat of powder all over your face. I usually use the powder foundation or the powder version and then followed by the compact one. Let's move on to the eyebrow department. I'm one of the many who are not gifted with natural bushy eyebrows. So what I love to use is an eyebrow pencil or eyebrow gel. If you choose for the gel type, then you will have to use an eyebrow brush applicator. Next, let's put a bit of a shadow on the eyes. I'm going to use natural brown shades in matte for a natural look. Now that we're done with the eyebrow and eyeshadow, let's do the eyeliner. You can use a liquid eyeliner, pencil eyeliner, gel, or cream eyeliner. If you don't have any of those, then use an eyeshadow as an eyeliner. But for this makeup, I choose for liquid and pencil eyeliners. Let's make our eyes look brighter and a little bit bigger. And we can achieve that by using mascara. When applying a mascara, make sure that you curl your eyelashes first before applying the product. So we're almost finished with the makeup look. Since we still have a little bit of time left, let's use that for applying the contour and the highlight. Now this step is optional for this particular makeup. Now we can move on to the blusher. We just need a few swipes of blush to look lovelier. The less product you apply, the better it is. Finally, let's do the lip department. First, make sure that your lips are hydrated using a quality lip moisturizer. You can do this part while prepping your face so you don't lose time. Next, let's apply the lip liner first at the Cupid's bow. That's at the top center of lips, and work it out towards the outside. Then fill in your lips with the product to create a base. Once you're done, finish the full makeup look with a nice tint of lip gloss. Apply it on the middle bottom of your lips and then rub your lips together. And this is how I do a quick yet beautiful makeup in under 10 minutes. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Pinoy Wheel and click that notification bell for more personal development videos. Thank you for watching!